Hi and welcome to the review of the Philips PUS7608 series from the 2023 TV lineup. This is a mainstream LED LCD TV with a Philips Smart TV platform, positioned above PUS7008 and below the PUS8118 series. It offers Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support, which 7008 is lacking, while it doesn't have Ambilight, which you will find on the 8118 and higher series. What are my impressions after buying the 43-inch version for the purpose of this test? Let's find out together in this video. Philips went with a combination of a grey bottom bezel and two separate anthracite feet that keep the TV close to the table, a little over 2.5 cm to be more precise. Side bezels are thin, while the back side, made partially from metal and partially from plastic, is quite thick for today's standards. The TV has the following physical connectors: 3 HDMIs, 2 USBs, TV antenna and satellite inputs, digital audio out, Ethernet, common interface, and a 2-pin power socket. Wireless connectivity is only including Wi-Fi. Since I started testing Philips TVs back in 2009, one common theme of their TVs was a slow and unstable interface. Things got better with the introduction of Android TV platform, but stayed pretty much where they were with Safi OS, which I tested 3 years ago. PUS7608 is using the so-called new Philips Smart TV platform that was developed by ZEASN. The platform's home menu looks very similar to that of Android TV and Google TV platforms, but what impressed me the most is how responsive it is. Menus appear instantly and navigation through them is a breeze. Stability is very good. I only had a couple of issues during this several week-long test, but nothing major which would force me to unplug the TV from the wall, a very unpleasant activity many Philips TV owners know for sure. The platform does offer popular video apps such as Netflix, YouTube and Prime Video, but it lacks many such as HBO Max, Disney+, Spotify and so on. The good thing is that those apps that are available play the content smoothly. Customization of the platform is very limited. You can only arrange your favorite apps row in the home menu, but you cannot move the Watch TV button from the first position. The TV comes with infrared plastic remote control that needs 2 AAA batteries to operate. It has all the essential buttons, plus shortcuts to Prime Video, apps, Netflix and Rakuten TV. There are no customizable buttons. Thanks to the fast operating system and good button layout around the navigation, it was easy for me to use it, even in a dark environment. My complaint goes to the small size of the buttons in the lower part of the remote, which are too small and too close to each other. Coming to the picture quality, PUS7608 doesn't offer anything special in this price category. The picture will be fine for casual viewing, and with minor adjustments to picture settings, you can get a pleasant looking image that is not over-processed like it is by default. For more details on this, check my picture settings video. My unit had an IPS panel, which means low contrast without inky blacks, but good viewing angles in regards to color saturation. Like other IPS displays out there, the so-called IPS glow effect is visible, making blacks even less convincing, especially under angles or if you're sitting close to the screen. HDR performance is very limited as the TV doesn't have hardware capabilities to display specular highlights and a wide color gamut. One good thing about the HDR on this TV is that its tone mapping is set to preserve details in highlights, so images mastered even in 10,000 nits appear pretty good in that regard, much better than what Samsung is doing on their UHD 4K TVs. Philips went with pixel-precise Ultra HD picture processor on this TV, which does a decent job when it comes to upscaling, detecting interlaced signals, and noise reduction. Motion resolution is limited as this TV has a maximum refresh rate of 60 Hz, again a typical specification for this price category. There is no motion interpolation available, so if you like the soap opera effect in movies, then look for another model. The annoying global dimming effect is not present, so we can watch content without loss of details in shadows and other distractions. Dirty screen effect was visible across the screen, and my unit had backlight bleed along the edges. Coming to sound quality, two down-firing speakers do not offer anything out of the ordinary and will be satisfactory only for casual listening. If you want better sound quality, send audio out of the TV using HDMI eARC or Toslink optical connection. eARC was working fine during the test, with 7.1 Dolby True HD and DTS HD Master audio formats coming to the Denon AV receiver with no issues. TV has a built-in media player that supports Dolby Digital and DTS audio formats, and you can adjust different parameters for subtitles such as size, color, and encoding. Game and monitor picture modes offer low input lag, which will be good for gaming. The monitor preset is the only one to support full color resolution. To conclude, despite having the fastest operating system I've seen on any Philips TV up until today, it will be a challenge for PUS7608 to stand out among the competitors. Some of the popular apps are missing, Bluetooth is not integrated, and there is no motion interpolation or wide color gamut support, which you can find on competitor models. Thanks for watching this review. I thank my longtime supporter, Retail Shop Ronis, for lending me a Denon AV receiver to test eARC connectivity on this TV. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.